we are going to talk about vertex form, and we have this nice foldable here. So if you look, once you get your paper, you're going to fold it so that we can create something that looks like this. So first, let's fill in the first page so that you can use that as a reference. So where we have this arrow that's pointing at the A, okay, we're going to write some information about what that A tells us. So when A is greater than 1, it's going to tell us that our graph is getting narrow. All right. When A is between 0 and 1, our graph is widening. Getting wider. Okay, and then if our A is negative, then it means our graph is going to flip. Over the y-axis. Okay, so all this information about our A can be very useful, okay, when we're trying to figure out what kind of transformation is happening. Let's look at H next. So this H tells us something about our transformation, but it also is going to help us find our vertex. So first, dealing with transformation, H is going to help us tell if it's shifting horizontally. So horizontal shift. Okay. K, again, also has to do with our vertex, but it also has to do with our transformation. So K is going to tell us if there's a vertical shift. Okay. And then H and K both deal with our vertex. So our vertex can be written as H, comma K. Alright, if you look at the example below, this is an example of what you're going to be doing on the inside of your foldable. So we're going to do this example out here together, and then you're going to fill in the inside of this foldable. So looking at our equation that we have, we can pull out our vertex, H, comma K. So we have 1, negative 3. Okay, this is a negative in our original equation. That's why our 1 is positive, because it's supposed to be like that. And our K is supposed to be plus K, so we take that sign with us, and that's why that's a negative 3. Okay. Transformation from the parent function is going to be right 1 unit. Okay, because we look at our H, horizontal shift, and down 3 units. We look at our K. So if we want to graph in purple our parent function is x squared. So our parent function is going to look something like this. Okay, in green, let's graph our transformed function. It's just going to look something like this. It was just shifted right 1 and down 3.